In order to export high quality video from your Edits app, you need to go ahead and follow the simple steps. First, launch your Edits application, log into your specific account, and then tap on the project or the video that you are working on. Edit your video using the available features, and you can add audio, text, voiceovers, captions, and more. And when you're ready to export, look at the export settings, usually an icon near the export button, which is 2K set for this video. Just tap on that and you'll get the resolution and frame rate option. Go ahead and set it to HD or 4K, and for resolution you can go for 30, and in 2K and HD you can go for 60 frame rate as well. But as I am looking to export this video in 4K, I'm going to go ahead and tap on 4K, and then frame rate is set to 30. Tap on the export button in the top right corner of the screen and wait for the video to process. Once exported, the high-quality video will be saved to your gallery, and if you want to upload it directly to the Instagram, you can tap on the share button, add a caption, tag people, add a location, and then tap on share. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.